Hi there, in this video segment, we're going to show you how to take some of your images and start to move them down to your timeline. All the images are listed up here in your media folder, and then down here you have your timeline. In this case, there are 3 tracks in our timeline, 2 video tracks and an audio track. And for this video segment, we're really only going to be working with the 1 video track. So to get those images to show up in your movie, you just click and drag them down here into that video. In this case, I'm going to use the video 2 timeline. Now, by default, each of these clips is going to be displayed for 5 seconds, but you can modify and change that very easily, and I'll show you how to do that. So here they are in order, and they're each 5 seconds. As I float my mouse over there, you'll notice it's indicating that it's 5 seconds in length. If I want to take this very last image and move that in between 1 and 2, I can just let up, and it'll tell me to insert and push, and it'll automatically do that resize for me. If I want to make a video clip longer than 5 seconds, what I can do is make room for it by, say the second clip here, I want to make it 8 seconds in length. I can take this third clip, just slide it down here, and then take the second clip and I can slide it to that 8 seconds that I want. Now if I want to put this one back in line here, remember this is 5 seconds, but I don't have 5 seconds of room here. What I can do is I can take these last 2 clips and just select all, and I can slide them down, and then I can take my third clip, move that back in here. And again, by selecting these 2 clips here, I'm just going to click and drag right across there so they're highlighted, and I'll slide those right down and against them there. So it's very easy to move and drag these images around. If you want to do some more advanced editing with any of your images, just double click on it and it'll take you to a place where you can rotate, resize, you can do animation, mess with color contrast. Anytime you use any of these options, you just want to remember to make sure you click Done Editing. The other thing to be aware of with the timeline is, depending upon how good your eyes are, you might want to zoom in while you're doing some of your editing with your individual image clips. So right now mine is sort of zoomed out as far as it will go, but you can also zoom in by clicking that plus sign, and it just allows you to see a little more in between the clips, which is nice when you start to add transition, which will be our next section. So good luck adding your images, and stay tuned for the next section. Thank you.